Welcome to this video in which I will show you the exploration of a room by youBot. In the bottom right corner you will be able to see the map as it's being made during the exploration. Using the distance sensors of youBot, we are able to compute the coordinates of the walls or obstacles. These points are depicted in black on the map. Because small objects can fall on the ground and tilt youBot rather harshly if it rolls over them, detected obstacles are discarded when the tilting is too high. We assume that the points from youBot to these obstacles are obstacles-free. These are depicted in green and the current field of view is depicted in cyan. The white points represent the unexplored points. The goal of the exploration is to identify those points as either obstacles or obstacle-free. To do so, we try to identify the closest unexplored point from the latest identified point. To compute a path from youBot's position to an unexplored point, we compute the edges of each obstacle and use the Dijkstra's algorithm from those edges to find the shortest path. These edges are depicted by blue dots around the obstacles. Prior to computing these edges, we apply a dilation to the obstacles to ensure that youBot will not collide with them or get too close. This dilation can be seen in red around the obstacles on the map. In case youBot gets too close or enter a collision with an obstacle, as previously seen, the first thing it will do is move away from the obstacles before resuming its course. In the case we previously seen, youBot did not have time to react prior to the collision because the recording slows the process down. Another goal of the exploration is to search for and identify baskets and tables. Because those objects are shaped as cylinders, using the map we can find them by looking for circles using a off transform provided by Matlab. The circles that are found are depicted on the map as blue circles. The next step is their identification by classifying the 3D markers assigned to each basket, or in the case of the tables themselves. To do so, we take pictures in front of those objects and feed them to a classifier provided by Matlab that uses bag of features and machine learning algorithm. The classifier has been previously trained by using a large amount of pictures taken during a large amount of simulations to ensure that they have been taken from different angles and distances. The inside of the circles represent the states of the baskets or the tables. If it is white, it means that it has not been classified yet. If it is blue, it means that it has been identified as a table. Otherwise, the color represents the 3D marker associated with the basket. Now that the remaining unexplored points are inaccessible and all the baskets and tables have been identified, youBot can stop and the process is completed.